Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all charging method on your headphones TOZO HT2. The first one is to use a USB-C cable, so just connect it to the USB-C port on your headphones. Oh, here. We can see a red light, so it means that it's charging. And the second one is to use your phone. All you need to have is a USB-C to USB-C cable. Or if your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. So just connect it to your phone. And the second one connect to your headphones. We can also see a red light, so it means that it's charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!